In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Interactive Broker's account number. If you've ever needed your account number for support, funding instructions, tax documents, or linking to third-party tools, don't worry. Locating it is quick and straightforward once you know exactly where to look. First, sign into the Interactive Broker's client portal. This is the secure web portal where you manage your accounts, view balances, and place trades. Use your usual login method and complete any two-factor authentication prompts. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. That's the page we need. Now, direct your attention to the very top left corner of the dashboard. This is the home of your account identity label. In that corner, you'll see your account number, sometimes called your account ID. It's displayed prominently near your account name and summary, so you don't have to dig through settings or menus. Many users miss it because it blends into the header area, so take a second to look closely at that upper left region of the screen. When you find it, you'll notice the format is short and easy to recognize. For a live, real money account, it typically looks like U123467. If you're in a paper trading environment designed for practice and simulations, you'll usually see DU123457. The D simply indicates the demo or paper account, while the version without the D is your live account. If you have multiple linked accounts, you may see a small selector in that area. Make sure the correct account is active so you're reading the right ID. A few quick tips to make this easier. If your browser is zoomed in or you're on a smaller screen, the header can compress. Try widening your window or reducing zoom slightly so the full top bar is visible. If you're browsing on mobile, the layout can shift. Look for the account banner at the top of the main dashboard view after logging into the client portal. And if you've navigated away from the dashboard into reports or trading tools, return to the main dashboard so the account label is front and center. Once you've identified your account number, handle it with care. Avoid sharing it in screenshots or public forums and store it somewhere secure if you need quick reference later. To recap, the entire process is simply log in to the Interactive Broker's client portal, look to the top left corner of your dashboard, and read the account number displayed there. Live accounts appear as something like U123457 and paper trading accounts as DU123457. That's all there is to it.